What's in this box is 15 years experience, blood, sweat, tears, success and failures of building 4 7-figure online businesses and being a part of launching and building over 2,000 online coaching businesses. What's in this box took 4 years to create and hundreds of hours in this box. What's in this box, I believe, is going to help thousands of online coaches, consultants and agency owners build a 6, 7, multiple 7 figures, because there's so many coaches right now that are personal trainers in the gym and want to pivot online full time, that are life coaches and NLP coaches and mindset coaches that are certified struggling to get clients, that are business coaches and consultants struggling to get off the ground. And so over the past 4 years, I put my heart, my mind, my time into creating the most comprehensive, easy to follow thing for coaches in the world. And this is the first time that anybody is going to see one of these in real life, the tangible. You guys have seen that it's coming. These don't exist anywhere in the world right now. It is the Bible, the Online Coaches Business Bible, how to build a 6 and 7-figure coaching business. It is a Bible. It is the most comprehensive, in-depth book ever written for coaches. No one has spent more time, more energy, not Alex Hormozi, not Russell Brunson. As great as their books are, that you might even find them better. There is no more comprehensive step-by-step guide in the world to go from zero to launch, to getting book solid with one-on-one, to getting book solid with group coaching. Big text, easy to read, lots of pictures and diagrams. It is the most comprehensive step-by-step guide in the world for online coaches, consultants and agency owners. Everything from mindset to AI and more. If we have a look at the table of contents, here's a table of contents you can see there. Okay, it's a table of contents. Am I in mirror? Can you see that? Okay. There is the full ecosystem, mindset, becoming an athlete of the mind, sales SOPs, marketing, pitch decks, webinars, launching an online challenge, launching group coaching, building a mastermind, websites that get traffic with SEO, paid ads, AI, scaling with team, training closers and team, and much more. This is the most comprehensive book ever written. 4 years it took me. I completely wrote this back. I ordered this book cover 4 years ago, spent several years writing it, didn't like it, threw it out, started from scratch again. Hundreds of hours to write this. I'm incredibly proud. This is available for purchase on Amazon on Friday, and 2 days after I do this, I'm giving 100 hard copies away for free. If you want one of these for free, this big bad boys to read, to add to your library, to bite. I only have 5 in existence, but I'm giving away 100 hard copies for free. In 2 weeks on Friday, I'm going live in my 20K Inner Circle Mastermind to announce them. If you want a chance to win a free copy person signed by me delivered to your doorstep, comment win, and I'll send it to you. Everybody that enters the draw gets a digital copy as well. This book is going to change a lot of lives. Who wants one?